Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Open settings and view battery details so you know the drain pattern and percent left. Next, remove or disable apps that run in background because they often consume CPU and radio time. Also inspect the charger, cable, and port. Slow or erratic charging can worsen perceived battery life. Once done, restart the phone to clear cached services. This forces stalled apps to stop and gives a clean baseline for the next steps. Now tackle the heavier fixes. Update the system and all apps because developers often patch draining bugs. This is one of the most effective fixes. Adjust app permissions. Restrict location, autosync, and background data for apps you rarely use since radios and GPS spike battery use. Then configure battery saver, lower screen brightness and timeout, and turn off always-on display and vibration to reduce constant draws. These steps cut both CPU cycles and radio use, which directly extends runtime. Finish by isolating remaining issues. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are responsible. If the drain stops, remove recently installed or heavy apps. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset because corrupted system data can cause wake locks and unseen processes to run. Finally, if even a fresh install fails, make sure to consult authorized service. Aging batteries or faulty charging circuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.